Hi, I'm Ron Pacioni with the K Grant Group and My Home Group. We are in front of Turquoise. Now, we've been looking at this house for the last few months, looking at the progress. The holidays are over. We've not checked on it for a couple weeks. Let's go take a look and see what they've done. Come on. Wow, what a difference 2 weeks make, right? The flooring, the cabinets are all in, the paint's all done. It's really starting to look beautiful. If you want any information about this flip or any of my other projects, give me a call. Ron Pacioni, 602-574-9587. I'm happy to help.